Some of these animals look so unreal that if you saw them in a movie, you'd assume they were CGI. But every creature you're about to see is real, alive, and walking around on Earth right now. And what's crazy is that the stranger an animal looks, the more perfectly adapted it usually is. Let's start with one that looks like it was accidentally shrunk in the dryer. Number 10. Dik-dik. The dik-dik is one of the smallest antelopes on the planet, standing barely 12 inches tall. But don't let the size fool you. These tiny animals are incredibly alert and fast. Dik-diks mate for life and aggressively defend tiny territories together, chasing off animals much larger than themselves. When danger appears, they let out a sharp, whistling alarm call that can reach 110 decibels, louder than a motorcycle. Their long, flexible nose isn't just cute, it helps cool their blood in hot African climates, preventing overheating. Small body, serious survival skills. Number 9. Gerenuk. At first glance, the gerenuk doesn't even look real. It stands upright on two legs like a human to reach leaves that other animals can't. Its name literally means giraffe-necked, and that long neck allows it to feed on thorny bushes untouched by competition. What's even more impressive is that gerenuks rarely drink water. They get almost all the moisture they need from the plants they eat. This upright feeding posture lets them survive in some of the driest environments in Africa. An antelope that evolved into its own category. Number 8. Pink fairy armadillo. This animal feels like a myth. The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest armadillo species in the world, only about 4 inches long. It lives almost entirely underground, swimming through loose sand faster than most animals can run. Its shell is so thin and translucent that you can see blood vessels through it. That's why it appears pink. Even scientists rarely encounter one, and many sightings come from farmers who stumble across them by accident. If cryptids were real, this would qualify. Number 7. Leafy sea dragon. This animal doesn't look alive, it looks like floating seaweed. The leafy sea dragon is one of the most perfectly camouflaged animals on Earth. Instead of swimming, it drifts with ocean currents, blending in so well that predators simply swim past it. Unlike seahorses, it can't curl its tail or grab objects. It relies entirely on disguise. And in a rare role reversal, males carry the eggs, protecting them until they hatch. Its survival strategy is simple. Don't look like an animal at all. Number 6. Maned wolf. This looks like a fox that was stretched in Photoshop. The maned wolf has extremely long legs designed to see over tall South American grasslands. Despite its name, it's not a true wolf, and it hunts alone, not in packs. Its diet is surprisingly mixed, including rodents, birds, insects, and fruit. One fruit, called the wolf apple, makes up a huge portion of its diet and helps control parasites. And yes, its urine smells so much like cannabis that zoos have triggered police investigations. A wolf that behaves like no wolf at all. Number 5. Saiga antelope. The saiga antelope looks like it has a vacuum cleaner for a face, and that nose is doing serious work. Its large, flexible snout filters dust during summer migrations and warms icy air in freezing winters. Saigas migrate in massive herds, sometimes thousands strong, across harsh landscapes. They can sprint nearly 50 miles per hour, outrunning predators like wolves. Despite their strange appearance, they've survived ice ages, though today they face serious conservation challenges. Number 4. Shoebill stork. This bird looks like it's judging your life choices. The shoebill stork can stand over 5 feet tall and remain perfectly still for hours. When prey swims by, it strikes with lightning speed, using its massive bill to crush lungfish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. That bill isn't just for hunting. Shoebills also clap it loudly to communicate. Despite their terrifying look, they're known to bow politely to humans. a monster with manners. Number 3. Eye. This primate hunts using sound. The eye taps on tree bark, listening for hollow spaces where insects hide. Once it finds one, it gnaws a hole and uses its long, skeletal middle finger to pull the insects out. Its massive ears and glowing eyes make it perfectly adapted for nighttime life. Once feared as a bad omen, the eye was nearly wiped out by superstition. Today, it's protected as one of nature's most intelligent problem solvers. Number 2. Cassowary. This bird is basically a living dinosaur. The cassowary can run over 30 miles per hour, jump 5 feet straight up, and kick with enough force to seriously injure predators. Its dagger-like middle claw is over 4 inches long. That helmet on its head, called a casque, helps it crash through dense jungle vegetation. Cassowaries are also vital seed spreaders, swallowing large fruits and distributing them across rainforests. Dangerous and essential. Number 1. Japanese spider crab. This looks like something from a horror movie. The Japanese spider crab has the longest leg span of any arthropod, up to 12 feet. Despite its size, it's surprisingly gentle and feeds mostly on dead animals and plant matter. Some individuals are believed to live over 100 years, slowly roaming the ocean floor. It doesn't chase prey, it waits. A massive, ancient reminder that real life doesn't need special effects. Nature doesn't care if something looks fake, it only cares if it works. If this video surprised you, subscribe for more animals that feel impossible, but aren't.